And here comes the snow. Look at her come down. Now you always get those people that forget how to drive and think they need a four-wheel drive. Well, guess what? I'm in a two-wheel drive truck right here. The trick is to get a feel for when it is spinning and let off when you do so. You need to keep the traction. Ooh, the snow got deep. It almost stopped the truck. It did stop the truck. What's up, everybody? I'm coming at you today from the house. We have a huge storm coming and I'm stuck in a poopy position. Only I brought myself here though. It's not as bad as I'm saying, but here's what we got going on. The GMC is ready to go. It's down there idling, getting some snow melted off it. Casey's Durango, he's swapping out the battery right now so we can get this thing moving around and we can plow where it sits. This thing's ready to go. I had a tie rod break on me like the last plow last year. I was just around the corner, so I brung my jack, popped it back into place, wrapped it in duct tape so it couldn't fall back out, and parked it. Well, here we are 365 days later. Now we're dealing with 1-year-old duct tape holding the ball joint together. So we're laying in the snow. Got the new tie rod end, a couple mats down. We only got to loosen up this side. Then we take a bolt off of here and then unscrew this. And we're just going to measure and count threads so it's close to being in alignment, or at least how good it was when I tore it apart. There's also a couple zip ties in there, I think, or one. Look at this beautiful piece of engineering. And I've seen people drive down the road with shit like this. There's a cotter key in the top there. Let's get a pair of pliers and pull that out. A little bit of WD-40. See if we can get her loose. Before you get her all the way backed out, you can reach up and swat her with a hammer. Now, while you got the nut on there, because you don't want to smack it with a hammer when it's just threads, you'll mess up your threads. Or you can even take a lot of insurance policies and grab you a dead blow hammer. That means dead blow. I'll reach up there and give her a tickle with an old dead blow. You got the rubber, it ain't gonna wreck your threads, and got a lot of driving power. I'm gonna smack the bar first and see if I can get my ball joint to pop back out like it did the day when it was broke. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's what. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's what it did when she broke, guys. Right there. All right, let's get you in closer for this one. All right, so as you can see, that's like a ball. And down here is like a socket, like a bowl shape. And that's supposed to fit tightly in there. And the only way this is supposed to come out is when you take this nut off. Well, it wore out so much from not being serviced or whatever, and it fell right out while I was driving. Luckily, I was just here on the private lake road, only doing like 2 miles an hour. So, all right, let's get this guy the rest of the way out. Holy cow. Hey, can you get in here and smack this, like from up here? I can't get much of a swing at it. Does it look like it's moving?
It's moving.
I thought it does too.
Ever so slightly.
It's got a taper, so just one of these times it's just gonna go plop and fall right out.
Yeah.
I can take over, bud.
There you go.
I was gonna say, that sounded like it just broke, dude. It's amazing how when you hear it so many times, you just know. All right, kids are a blessing for many reasons. Casey got that out of there for us. We're gonna finish unscrewing this guy. All right, we got that guy out of there. So yeah, basically, if you rip this out of here, that's what you'd be seeing inside of there. Okay, now the next part, we have to unscrew this out of here. It looks like we have 7 to 8 threads sticking out. See, it's in there, boy. I need to prop it up on a board or something. These boards will hold that off the ground. Ooh, that wind's picking up. Casey's about finished, but Dad is not. How perfect, the song, Against the Wind. Right when the wind comes. I'm literally running against the wind right now. I'm older now and I'm still running against the wind. Ain't that the truth? Holy cow, that bugger's tight. Let's go see Casey's success. Ah! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay.
Fancy.
That one's running. Will you do Dad a favor?
What?
You go shut the GMC off for me. Thank you, son. Well, at least I can do it by hand now. It's not so hard on the arms and forearms. Okay, jeez. What a pain in the butt. I like to make sure that the length is kind of the same and stuff, and it's not. And look at how much longer the threads are on the new ones. What I'm doing here is lining the threads up, and you can see the new one has a little bit more threads. It don't matter because we need just to have 7 threads sticking out on the end. It don't matter if we got 40 feet of threads going this way. We just got to thread them all in. You know, that kind of sucks. But yeah, so we're going to thread this in until about 7 threads are sticking out on the end there. I'm going to put a little extra WD-40 in here just to help things go well. Now, when I tighten this up, because it's a fine thread, I don't just go in there and start tightening. What I do is I'll stick it in a little bit, then I'll go backwards until you hear that first thread click. You'll hear it click into place. Or even feel it. Going backwards. Listen for the click. Boom, just fell in. Now, that way you know you're not cross-threading it, or you got a lot less likely of a chance to cross-thread it. I ain't gonna make you guys sit here and watch this. We're just gonna go, voila, it's done. Actually, it's not done. This actually needs to go in 4 more threads, and I can't get it to go in no more. Saved life for me. I mean, I'm sure I probably could, you know, if I had heat and time, but I don't have that. So we're going to tighten this one back up. We're going to loosen this guy up. Okay, now we're going to spin this whole thing in. The tie rod end is fully tightened. So what we're doing is actually going to tighten this whole sleeve to get our adjustment. And that's going to get us close enough. Close enough for this old plow truck. There's one. We're 25% of the way there. 2. 2.5. 3. 3.5. And 4. Work with what you got, guys. I had plenty of adjustment on this side of the threads to make up the few threads I couldn't get this to screw into. This one was so much longer. See, this one probably only screwed into here. But the new one was probably getting all the way back into here where it was starting to get tight or something. I don't really know exactly how long it is. I can't see it, but it's definitely longer than this one. All right, and we're just going to tighten this guy back up, so. All right, got that. All right, Casey's coming out to help me. He's got to turn the tire a little bit to the right, towards the passenger side. Don't even got to start it. Just turn the wheel. Go ahead. A little more. More. Okay, stop. All right, dude, you're done, I think. If I need you, I'll holler. Thank you, Case. Wow, guys, that was a bugger. Okay, now we're hoping this tapered fit stays tight in here and it don't start spinning as I'm tightening it up. I like that. Oh! Did you guys hear that? That was a big old bit of snow off of those trees up there. Just fell down and hit my topper. That was funny. Lucky didn't hit me. I better hurry the F up. Stuff's getting real out here. Okay. I got the super cheap edition from Rock Auto. It didn't even have a cotter key in it. That's okay because I happen to have a whole kit of cotter keys. Most guys who turn wrenches do. Or we got a nail to shove in there anyhow. I've done a lot of those as well. Okay, got her key in. This pig's ready to go. What's that? I can't hear you. I can't hear you over the best sounding engine that was ever made. The 7.3 powerstroke. She's back. Got the tie rod fixed. Found my driveway, my neighbor's driveway. Gave him, my other neighbor, a swipe. And I'll probably run over to the old lady that lives around the corner, get hers done. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm ready for the snow. Well, we got it all cleaned up around here. We got to go get a generator. As you can tell, it's getting windy, and I don't want to wait till the power goes out and then have to go get a generator. All right, let's head over to Dad's house and get a generator. All right, I'm going to go back outside today and see how bad the snow has gotten. Well, this was all fresh plowed yesterday. Holy cow. Look how much snow we just got. All right, you can't even see where I've been. But as long as these batteries are up, this old Ford going to start. I'm telling you, 7.3 powerstroke, this old Ford going to start. You watch. All right, we got her warmed up a little bit. I had a 5-gallon can of fuel. I put some fuel in it. I got a quarter tank. Okay. She's still not warm though. Just coming off that cold mark. Just coming off of it. Let's crank this windshield. Can barely see. The windshield wipers on this old girl aren't very good. Gotta reach out and grab it with my hand, knock the ice off it. There we go. That's the Michigan. Roll down the window, one hand windshield wiper grab. Alright, let's just slowly go down the driveway with this old girl. You know, plowing ain't made to be a job, unless you're doing it as a job. It's made to be fun, man. Get out there and just get pushing the snow. Oh yeah, look at the big old snowbank we got going. You guys probably can't really see it, but I can see it rolling off to the sides. We're gonna shove it right up here on the other side of the road. Oh yeah, I seen her boiling over the corner there. I'm sure you guys did too. Back the video up. I'm sure you'll see it. Ooh, all right. I gotta sit you guys down while I do some plowing. This driveway has not been plowed this year. They're gone, but they gotta get a dumpster in here. So here I am. Good for the community, right? Oh, come on, Ford. Ooh, she's struggling. Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah. She's a good girl. You know, guys, I had this thing listed on Marketplace this year. I was going to sell it, buy a newer plow for my GMC. I mean, why? Why? You know? Ain't no reason for it. Run this sucker. Go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Push it right up there. Yeah. Hello. Okay, I don't know. They got to be able to get into the garage, so I think that's all I'm going to do. They can definitely get a roll off in here and get out a snow shovel or whatever and get to the house. It's better than it was. You know what? Maybe I will do just one more little push up over to the right. Okay, there we go. That gets a lot better opening for them. Yeah, they can get a roll off in there. Yeah, they can get a roll off in there. You know what? I want to open this little chunk right over here up for them, just in case. Okay. Yeah, there's plenty enough room. It ain't the cleanest job, but you know, this was a pro bono job, if you know what I mean. All right, we're all done plowing. There's my house right here. Coming home. Yeah, we got dumped on, guys. Yeah, we got dumped on. These snowbanks are 5 foot high already. One snow. Man down! Man down! Oh no, this is Carhartt Louis. This is my prized Carhartt hat I've had for 47 years. My favorite, oldest, bestest Carhartt. One thing about a diesel is the heat works good. Or at least this diesel. This thing will burn you right out of the cab. Got the window down for a reason. All right. Oh, my neighbor's just... I bet you he's really appreciative of his plowed driveway. All right, well, we got the driveway cleaned out. I didn't clean out up here because it's probably going to snow more, and I got to like move vehicles. I just wanted to get this cleaned out so I didn't have, you know, double the snow tomorrow. Get the back blade on the tractor here soon, and I'll clean up here with the tractor. Tractor fired right up yesterday, no problems. All right, guys. That's it from freezing cold northern Michigan. I'm out of here. See ya. Tip of the day in Michigan, always have a pair of mittens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.